to the Lanc West Fest in the rain. And today at the North Kensington Resource Centre, we are with Meristem Design. And right here we have a green wall in the making. And also here is David O'Connell of the Lancaster West Residents Association, and I think Abbas behind there, who's become a gardener suddenly. Tell us, David, the involvement of the RA in this, and where did the money come from?
Right, so the RA, we applied to the Westway Trust Green Infrastructure Fund, and we got a grant from then, and that wasn't quite enough money to do all of the green walls, so we actually got that topped up by some money from the estate improvement budget. So, but we got all of the money now to do the green wall. It's all grant money as well. Yeah. So we're now having this beautiful green wall put in.
Yeah, well, in fact, I am standing next to this very luscious living wall. In fact, it's 4 walls of lusciousness, right? And I understand it's the first green wall on a housing estate in the borough of Kensington and Chelsea. Yeah. With me is David. May I stop you for a minute here? Hello, David. David McConnell, the operations manager of Meristem, who've already worked with us before. If you go up there, they've done a wonderful job with Will over there. I think you were in the last Instagram. So David, watching this wall go up has been fascinating. Where are we in the process? What plants are going to go in? Why are green walls so important? I think that's the big question. And do the plants require a lot of maintenance and watering? How will it work? Will we have to oversee it? Or is that enough questions?
Yeah. All at once. So we've got 4 living walls here. Overall, it's 33 square meters. So over 1,100 plants will be planted here. We're going to use mostly evergreen plants, ferns, and then we've got some lovely flowering plants like the erysimum here, and convolvulus. So through May through to August, this will be full of colour. And why are living walls so important? Nature, really, is it. You'll see birds nesting in living walls. It's great for biodiversity, bees, pollinators, and they purify the air around us.
And that wonderful word, sustainability. Well, thank you. I bet you let you carry on working. In fact, if the camera pans around, you can see all the plants are here that are going to go in. And then if you turn around, there's some handsome Meristem people over there waving. And there's going to be a wall over there, and round the corner, and one over there. And the last question, David, right? As you see here, the rain's coming down. Over there, it's covered up. And Abbas asked me this question. What kind of plants will survive there? Did you talk about the irrigation system?
So all of the living walls have got automatic irrigation system. You can see this brown line here is a drip line. They're all controlled by a tap timer, which we'll set. So the maintenance is quite minimal for these living walls. We'll return 6 times a year to just check on the irrigation settings, do a bit of pruning, a bit of feeding. But those walls, they won't get any rainfall, but they will be watered by the irrigation system.
Well, that's fantastic. We're already getting a fantastic reaction from the residents and everybody. So we are now going to let them work and create these green walls for all of us to enjoy and for the planet to enjoy. So thank you very much to everyone involved in this vertical garden. A final word from Abbas.
I think when there's a will, there's a way. We just need to have a vision.
Yes, it's a vision. And I think what's happening here is fantastic. So this is the green estate. There's the green wall, the green walls. Thank you very much. Let's do it.